Welcome! In this short tutorial video I'm gonna show you how to change the global illumination quality in Elden Ring Nightreign. So at first you have to open the system, then move to the last tab here, which is Graphics, and open Advanced Settings. Now scroll down to the bottom of the settings, and here almost the last option will be Global Illumination Quality. You can choose between low, medium or high amount. I prefer to use high amount. This setting determines how realistic and accurate the lighting in the game world is. So it shows you how light bounces off surfaces and affects the overall illumination. Essentially, it simulates how light interacts with the environment, creating a more immersive and visually rich experience. So it's better for use it in a high amount. And that would be all for today. Leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye!